Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you know, I'm here in my class. So here is two students, Huria and Matiullah. Between Huria and Matiullah is very big competition. So we are asking some few questions in Urdu language. So the main point is that today we will do practice the tense of present perfect, positive and negative, in two categories. The first one categories have Huria, that is positive. The second categories is negative. So Matiullah will speak. वो स्कूल जा चुकी है.
She has gone to school.
She has not gone to school.
वो खाना खा चुकी है.
She has eaten the food.
She has not eaten the food.
वो कपड़े धो चुकी है.
She has washed the clothes.
She has not washed the clothes.
हम खाना खा चुके हैं.
We have eaten the food.
We have not eaten the food.
हम स्कूल जा चुके हैं.
We have gone to school.
We have not gone to school.
हम इंग्लिश बोल चुके हैं.
We have spoken English.
We have not spoken English.
कौन इंग्लिश बोल चुका है?
Who has spoken English?
Who has not spoken English.
हम खाना खा चुके हैं.
We have eaten the food.
We have not eaten the food.
आप नमाज पढ़ चुके हैं.
You have performed the prayer.
You have not performed the prayer.
वो स्कूल जा चुकी है.
She has gone to school.
She has not gone to school.
कौन स्कूल जा चुकी है?
Who has gone to school?
Who has not gone to school.
हम खत लिख चुके हैं.
We have written the letter.
We have not written the letter.
आप खत लिख चुके हैं.
You have written the letter.
You have not written the letter.
कौन खत लिख चुका है?
Who has written the letter?
Who has not written the letter.
वो बहुत सारे लोग खत लिख चुके हैं.
They have written the letter.
They have not written the letter.
हम नमाज पढ़ चुके हैं.
We have performed the prayer.
We have not performed the prayer.
आप नमाज पढ़ चुके हैं.
You have performed the prayer.
You have not performed the prayer.
कौन नमाज पढ़ चुका है?
Who has performed the
Who
prayer?
have not performed the prayer.
हम इंग्लिश बोल चुके हैं.
We have spoken English.
We have not spoken the English.
आप इंग्लिश बोल चुके हैं.
You have spoken English.
You have not spoken English.
वो बहुत सारे लोग इंग्लिश बोल चुके हैं.
They have spoken English.
They have not spoken English.
कौन इंग्लिश बोल चुका है?
Who has spoken English?
Who has not spoken English.
मैं इंग्लिश बोल चुका हूँ.
I have spoken English.
मैं पेन खरीद चुका हूँ.
I have bought a pen.
I have not bought a pen.
आप पेन खरीद चुके
You
हैं.
have bought a pen.
You have not bought a pen.
कौन पेन खरीद चुका है?
Who has bought a pen?
Who has not bought a pen.
वो बहुत सारे लोग पेन खरीद चुके
They
हैं.
have bought a pen.
They have not bought a pen.
मैं पेन खरीद चुका हूँ.
I have bought a pen.
I have not bought a pen.
वो पेन खरीद चुकी है.
She has performed. She has bought a pen.
She has not bought a pen.
वो पेन खरीद चुका है.
He has bought a pen.
He has not bought a pen.
क्लैपिंग करें भाई. दैट्स गुड, अमेजिंग.